Hey everyone, TechnoVenture here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your iPhone calculator. So let's get started. So if you're new to iPhone or your first time using iPhone, there is a built-in calculator that you can use. Two different ways to access it. First way, it's going to be actually finding the app on your iPhone, which is going to be hidden under this folder called Utilities. You want to look for, and there's a couple of apps available for you. Which of one of them is the calculator one? And if you click on it, it's going to open up your calculator. You can do simple function, simple math if you like here. Click on it and just do whatever math you need to, as you can see here. Now, another way to access the calculator, if you don't see it here, is pulling down or pulling up the menu, and there will be an icon up here that looks like a calculator, which also opens up the calculator app itself. Now, if you wanted to get a little bit more advanced and have more feature, what you want to do is put your phone sideways. First, before you do that, we do need to turn off the lock here on our phone, and then we just move it to sideways, and it gives us more of a scientific ability to do more functions on it. As you can see here, all these scientific stuff. If you need it for more advanced math, right, you can use all of this option available for you just like that. So that's how you can use this option. Gives you a lot more option and feature, and then if you turn it back, it's going to go back to the normal mode. But in order to use that, keep in mind you're going to pull down or pull up the control menu and turn off this portrait lock in order to get to this scientific mode. So that's how you use your calculator on your iPhone. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.